How to use OmeTV on PC. In order to use OmeTV on PC, you can open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar, type in ome.tv, press enter. You'll be led to the official website of OmeTV. Click on any option in order to continue. You can find the option for Facebook, Google, Wiki. Click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the option Continue with Google. Click on the Google account with which you would like to log in to your account. Now OmeTV will be opened. Allow the use of microphone and camera. Click on the option Allow while visiting the site that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to use the OmeTV. You can simply connect with other users. After the connection is established, you'll be able to video chat with them. Likewise, you'll be able to select the gender and country over here. Click on the field of I am. After you do that, click on the option of your choice. Click on the field of country. Once you do that, click on the country of your choice. Now you can start establishing the connection and chatting with other users. Like this, you'll be able to use OmeTV on PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.